Ahoy! It's kind of a rainy night here in downtown Meredith, New Hampshire, but just by looking at the map, it would seem as if I have a lot to do and a lot of places to go. I'm not so sure I'll make it to all of them tonight, but for starters, I've got a goal bet right over here. If I can just figure out how to get it in range. Oh, go down a little back alley here. How frustrating. There you go. Boom. Jeez, he practically swallowed the Pokeball. I mean, come on. Threw it right in his mouth. Can you imagine that being captured from the inside out? Well, if you were Pokemon, that is. Groovy. Alright, decent start to the night. Alright, a post office, yeehaw. Let's see what kind of packages it has for me. Okay. That'll do. These Pokestops are getting stranger and stranger. And I can't help but wonder what kind of technology or scouting or whatever the creators of this game use to locate these or tag these Pokestops. It's kind of crazy and scary to think about. Let's see what the dog has for me. Okay, the dog's got balls. 3 of them. That's wonderful. Alright, this ought to be good. Oh, come on. Get him right on the bill. Or on the head. That works too, I guess. Yay. Progress. So again, I work here. Let's see if this Pokestop has anything good or special for me. The usual. Again, I'm baffled by the amount of information that this app has on the locale. I don't know, me. Hey! 4 is better than 3. Yeah, that's just great. I really appreciate it. You know, it's telling me I got a flippin' Dragonite nearby, and all it's showing me are Weedles. It's wonderful. I tell you, I'm thrilled. Well, here I am in a nice little gazebo that I drive by all the time in the boat and on the ship. Let's see if it has anything good to give me. Right, what, really? You serious? Come on. Oh, that's better. Okay, I'll take it. Whoop-de-doo. Alright, I got a resilient Poliwag here. I had it in the ball once and it broke free. Let's see. Oh, that was a terrible shot. It says nice, but we'll see. Okay then. Yippee. Political correctness issue. I mean, really, in this day and age, they're gonna call it an Indian? This is America. It's a Native American. Come on. Get with the times, people. Rant over. Pokestop commencing. Oh! Well, there's the white man taking from the Native Americans. I guess not much has changed. Townies. Real classy. Oh, mercy. Let's see what else we got here. Another Eevee. Whoa, hey! You trying to headbutt me, little fella? Hey! Don't give me that crap. Get in your ball. Okay. Now what? Oh, right. Lucky number 7. Sweet. What have I got here? Just more birds and a bellsprout. Oh, and a special Pokestop. Oh, what? Oh! Oh, that's not what I was clicking on, but okay, cool. Come on. Hey, don't be... Hey! Don't you be swiping at me. Yeah, how about that? Good. Okay then. Moving on. Now does this mean there's a lure there or something? Well, whatever that. Leading Hall, huh? Pokestop module. Attracts Pokemon to a Pokestop. Benefits nearby. Okay, cool. Collect more Pokestop modules. What does that even mean? What are you doing? Oh, I get it. Yeah, you want me to buy stuff. Not happening. I like this game, but I don't like it that much. What do you got for me? Okay, come on. Seriously? Screw you then. Ain't nothing but a bunch of crappy Pokemon there. Okay, maybe they're higher level or something, I don't know. But I don't think they're worth my time at this time. I'm just gonna check out this one more Pokestop up there, and then probably call it a night. I mean, I made it to level 7 and all. I think that's a pretty good benchmark, wouldn't you say? Yeah. Good grief, get these Spearows out of my way. Okay. So I haven't gotten this Pokestop yet. Let's see what it is. Okay. And now, I'm curious about this gym, because same team. What are these options? Oh, it's gonna let me train them? Is that it? I think that's it. Sure you want to... Oh. No. That's a terrible idea. Just saying fight. What's going on here? Okay. Oh, jeez. Now I've done it. Why would I want to fight, you know, same team? Good God. I'm so scared. Run away. Okay. See ya. Well, that's embarrassing. I guess that's what I get for not doing what I'm doing. Like I said, same team. Okay. Now that all that's done and said and so forth, I think that's all I got for now. So, catch you later.